How do you increase your followers on Twitter? When a new person follows you on Twitter, think of it as your opportunity to start an ongoing conversation. Each time you engage with your followers by replying to their messages, retweeting, or asking for their opinion, you create new opportunities for them to share your message, make purchases, or tell others about their positive experiences. So how can your business gain Twitter followers organically? We have 6 tips to help you achieve the best results. Tip 1. Share relevant and useful content. People come to Twitter to interact with the content they're most interested in. So if you want to grow your followers, your content will need to appeal to your audience and add value to the conversation. Whether that's tweeting about sales, product tutorials, to general tips that might not be as well known, or current and upcoming events that are right up the alley of your customer base. If you're not sure what valuable content is, check out your Twitter analytics to understand what your audience responds to. Or use keywords and hashtags related to your industry and audience to understand what people are talking about. Tip 2. Post visual content. Did you know that 97% of people focus on visuals on Twitter? Including media in your tweets can really help your content stand out. Add a variety of visuals, videos, photos, graphics to make your content more eye-catching and memorable. Tip 3. Tweet consistently. Whether you're asking a question, sharing a GIF, or retweeting someone from your community, it's important to have a regular cadence of content your audience can count on and look forward to. To stay organized and keep things manageable, create a content calendar to plan out your ideas and ensure you're tweeting during events that are relevant to your business, the holiday season, and other special occasions. Tip 4. Interact with others. Twitter is all about making connections. Don't just post a tweet and leave it at that. You can do so much more. Follow others in your industry and compliment them on what they're doing. Retweet influencers or celebrities and add your point of view to what they're talking about. Reply with your mentions and customers to build engagement and form new connections. Tip 5. Don't be afraid to promote your Twitter handle everywhere you can. Get your brand in front of people as much as possible. Add a follow button to your website. Include a link to your Twitter profile in your email signature and newsletters, and promote it offline on business cards, menus, and other printed materials. Tip 6. Leverage your existing contacts. Did you know you can find existing customers who are already on Twitter? Simply upload your existing contacts from your phone. Then, let your customers know you're on Twitter by giving them a follow. As you can see, there are a number of ways you can approach increasing your Twitter followers. Feel free to experiment by leveraging these tips. If you keep showing up, you'll see a big payoff in the long run. Ready to learn more? Visit business.twitter.com for more resources to help grow your business on Twitter.